Isha Singh. Welcome to Ish Talks. I'm a student of Lovely Professional University, and today in this video we'll be talking about LPU and its privileges that LPU provides. And for this video we have a very renowned alumni with us today, that is Miss Anandita Menon. And welcome to our channel, ma'am. We are super happy and we are very pleased to have you on our set today. So let's ask you the very first question without any delays.
Sure.
How does LPU support students in their career development or internship opportunities?
Okay, so I would feel that LPU has a very big reputation. In fact, its entire image is actually based on the placements they provide, the job offers that they get. It's very big, like across India, not even India, other countries too. You know, so there's a lot of collaboration. First of all, LPU has great reach internationally. Like we've had semester exchanges, we have a lot of international students here, so it has a very good reach. Now, when it comes to things like placements and job offers, so whenever you get to register in a drive, see, first thing you have an option whether you want to go for placements or not. So of course it's up to the student. I opted for a placement in fact, and I also got placed through LPU. It was very nice. I have a great package, and I would encourage a lot of people to even register in the placements. So there are a lot of campus drives that come. There are very big companies. You have Google coming here. You've had Microsoft come here, and there are so many offers. Like it doesn't even matter which branch you're in. So I graduated from Bachelor's of Journalism Mass Communication, just like you is, soon in the future. So, at least in a month, we would have about at least 6 to 7 drives. And, depending on the things, you could be a content writer. There was job offers to be a video editor. There are job offers to be literally anything related to journalism that you want. So, it really stands out a lot. Like, it shines a lot.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for your answer. And I have heard that you were in clubs and organization, that student organization.
I was,
yes. So what kind of clubs or student organizations are available at LPU, and how have you been involved?
Okay, so based on what I can remember, there are at least 60 student organizations. I don't know, it must have increased by now because more students come every year, more students want more things to do. Now, when I say that there is a club or an organization for anything, Isha, I literally mean it. Like I personally was part of 2 clubs. One was Coach, which do a lot of event planning. We organize like anime related events or just random events, music, concerts, anything.
Okay.
And the second was the Western Dance Club. So if you have a hobby, for example, you want to do mehendi, you want to do art, you want to make rangolis, you want to learn the drums, any instrument, you want to dance, you want to sing, whatever your heart wants to do, whatever you want to do to pass your time in, you can do it. And there's a club for everything, I can guarantee you that.
Okay. As we can see that you are doing very well in your career, and you have been a very big part of journalism of India today. So how well do you think LPU is equipped in terms of modern facilities like labs, libraries and sports? Like what stands out the most to you?
Okay, so in terms of like utilities, resources, all of this, I wouldn't say that it's the most outstanding. I wouldn't say that when you're gonna see all of it, you're gonna be like, wow, this is world-class technology. No. But whatever you will need, LPU has it all. So for example, let's take the journalism department, both of us are aware of that department. So as a journalist, you're going to need like a lot of equipment when you go out into the real world. You're going to need cameras to record. You're going to need a lot of other things. So for example, our department, you can even issue things. So you have cameras, you have tripods, you have mics, and the different type of mics. If you go out, you have mics to pin on your collar, you have mics you can hide, you have big mics, you have 4K video recorders, you have a lot. But after the recording, then comes the editing process. We both are very aware of that. So, they even provide us things like, they must have provided you also as a student, we get Adobe Photoshop, we get a lot of Adobe creative apps, and
We have a whole lot of Mac lab here. Editing.
Yeah, so we have a lot of labs also here. So there's a lot of practical things that journalism requires.
Yes.
And I would say that the department has a lot of it. So there's sufficient amount of utilities, not the best of course, but whatever you can manage to find in India at least, I would say is the best.
Okay. So as we can see that LPU is well equipped as far as I can say, and it provides as much as what a person needs or a student needs in order to learn their particular course and the outcomes. And it was really, really great talking to you, ma'am. And thank you so much for having us. So